Hello students and parents. This is lesson 6 for our poetry unit, and the activity for this particular lesson is a little bit difficult to explain in writing, so I figured I will do a little video and will demonstrate to you how we can do this activity with a variety of our students. So just like I gave it to you in the description, you will start by opening up the spinner. So the spinner looks like this. You need to slide down and then play the game. So the spinner will give you the option to spin, and our goal for this activity is for students to use the words that can be associated with different senses. So I'm going to start from the top and give you the hardest version, and then I'm gonna scale it down and show you how to do it with nonverbal student, how to do it with student who is operating concrete objects. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to spin it. And then we are going to use our senses and say what are some things that we can associate with these senses, just as we were doing in the beginning: eyes, nose, mouth, ear, and touch. Okay, my turn. Here we go. It's a mouth. I can taste with my mouth. Okay, and now I can pull up that attached thing that I gave to you, attached in the assignment. You can show it and say, okay, can you name a thing that you can taste? And the student is able to say a sentence. That's what I would expect them to do, that the student will say, I can taste an ice cream. It is sweet. And for some of my students, I would do something like this. I can give them an example sentence. I can taste an apple. It's sweet. So it's easier for them to construct their own sentence. Okay, if the student is not on the sentence level yet, we're going to work on the words. So the example is going to be like this. I want you to say ice cream, sweet. Ice cream, sweet. If we're talking about a student who is nonverbal, so that student is going to be just pointing. What are some things that you can taste? And that student will point to ice cream and lemon and pizza. And please, if you have the capacity, say this word for your students so that they can hear it as well. If the student is operating on the concrete object level, okay, so here we have a pencil and an apple, and I would present it to my child and I will say, here we go, look over here, apple, look over here, pencil, show me something that you can taste. And the child can just grab it, or for some of the children, they keep them one in left hand and one in right hand and see where the student is looking, if the student is looking towards the apple or the student is looking towards the pencil. And it's okay if they make mistakes, you just correct them and say, no, we write with the pencil, we touch it, we feel it, we eat the apple. And you might even give them a little bit of a try so they can make that connection, association, mouth, taste. Okay, so I hope it was helpful, and as always, I welcome your feedback, and you are doing great.